HTML is a markup language. HTML was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Its original purpose was for professionals to be able to send information to each other over the World Wide Web. With the creation of Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator, it became a commercial venture, and they started to move more and more towards creating markup, which was attractive. Now, a markup language is designed to place elements, such as the heading 1 element, images, and paragraphs within a document, but isn't supposed to control the way they're displayed on a page. So attributes such as alignment are style rules, as is the font family and size. They also invented JavaScript, which came out in two implementations, JavaScript for Netscape Navigator and JScript for Internet Explorer. Now, HTML has been controlled by the W3C, or World Wide Web Consortium, since its conception. And the earlier recommendations were weak in some ways, and this is where the browser vendors created some of their own markup. But because they were creating markup elements and attributes which were only being read by their browsers, other browsers were unable to understand them and did nothing with them. An example of this is the border color attribute, which when I save my work, previewed in Internet Explorer, creates a flat red border around our table element. And viewed in Netscape Navigator, we see that there's an attempt to 3D render the color. So they're both perceiving it differently. Now, if we wanted to 3D render the output in Internet Explorer, we need to use some proprietary markup rules. And this is border color light and the border color dark attributes. So if I set border color light at red, and then within my border color dark, I'll need to add a hexadecimal value. And save my work. We can preview it. We can see that Internet Explorer is now also 3D rendering the border. When we reload, Netscape ignores the proprietary markup. So we have to increase the size of the markup because of the proprietary rules. Now, later W3 specifications, such as HTML 4.1 and the CSS specifications, help to remove the need for proprietary markup by creating specifications that cover all of the needs that the different browser companies came across.